on to was hope.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas: Oregon, Clark, Washington, at 12:15 am on February 5th, 2021, effective until 3:15 am. This system, now being tested, is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. If this had been an actual emergency, you would be directed to www.ora.gov for more information. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management. No action is needed. This is only a test.
At their door.